up, Sparkling Blaze? Welcome back to my channel. I have not been here for a while. The last time you guys saw me was actually wearing a blonde wig. It's been pretty long, okay? So it's time for a new video. I know I've been missing out a lot on YouTube. It's just basically because I am in this restriction. Like, a lot of things are happening right now, you guys. I'll probably catch you on later on my vlog channel. I'll be posting a lot there, so make sure you go subscribe if you guys want to. And for those of you that are new, my name is Sahony, better known as Sassy. Shorter, quicker, easier. Yeah, there you go. I know you guys are here for the new goodies of Shopmissa. So Shopmissa just launched their new AOA PLUSH FAUX MINK brush set, and I was lucky enough that they sent it to me, you guys. Yes, they did send it to me, and I am just super excited to be trying these brushes and let you guys know how I like them. They also have another set, you guys, that I also got, which is this one. I got it a while ago, and I've been using them since then because I really like it. Plus, the brushes, you guys, are super affordable. In my opinion, they were great for the price. Super excited to be trying them. They feel super soft, you guys. They feel so nice. It's like, I love the sleek kind of like packaging of the brushes. There's black, all entirely black, and then they used to have the little logo right here on pink. And the brushes do go by number, and this brush set consists of 5 face brushes, and then you have 5 eye brushes. But today we're mainly going to focus on this, you guys. But if you're wondering about this, I have used them. They work great, and I really like. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you each individual brush and share with you what I think and how I think they work, and if they're worth it or not. So I'm actually going to be priming my skin because we're going to start with the face today, and I'm actually wearing this foundation today, Double Wear Foundation by Estee Lauder, which is extremely light on my skin, but I don't even care because it's so pretty and I love it. We're actually going to be starting with the new AOA Studio F23 brush. It's like a flat kabuki brush like this. It doesn't have much density to it, to be honest, but let's go ahead and apply foundation with this brush and see how it works. So I'm just dabbing it into the face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in and see how it blends out the foundation. So once again, taking the kabuki brush. Oh, you guys, okay, so far so good. I'm just kind of like dabbing motion and then just dragging type thing, like dab drag, dab drag. It's like not moving the foundation around. It's like really melting into the skin. I'm liking it so far, you guys. Wow, I'm like shook. Okay, you guys, I'm definitely not mad at the brush. It's really nice. I love how it doesn't have like much density to the brush. Like when you press it, it's just literally like, you know, and it's still like really distributing the foundation all over really nicely on the skin. I'm definitely going to be using this again. Like, wow, so far so good. And I'm actually taking a brush from their AOA Studio high definition brush set, which is the white set like this, and I'm taking this brush, which is the E108, just to blend out this concealer. I haven't like really like talked about this other brush set, but I really like them, you guys. To be honest, I think I'll always stick to beauty blenders, and I'm also using the Shopmissa AOA Studio Wonder Blender, I think that's what they call, and these also work really bomb, you guys, and is what I've been using. And I'm actually taking one of this velvet powder by Pop Beauty. I'm also using the Wonder Blender by Shopmissa just to set under my eyes. Okay, I'm starting to look like a little ghost, but that's okay. So I'm actually taking another favorite of mine, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer to bronze up the face. And I always like to apply a little higher to then blend it a little lower. And this right here, you got this little stash. This is what's gonna make the lips pop. This is my lip contour. And again, I'm actually going with their high definition brush sets because I feel like these are more for like exactly contouring, and I really like them, you guys. Blending those harsh contours. So again, you guys, I will show you how this will like blend in the contour, but I don't think these are specifically for cream contour because they're just too flingy. Let's try. But they're too like soft, you know what I mean? But they're still blending. You see that? It's crazy. Holy shit, they're blending. Wow, they're actually blending the contour. I was doubting this so much because it's so soft, you guys. I didn't think it was like, it doesn't have any density to actually like push a product, but wow, it literally shook shut me up. Like, it blended in the product. Wow, my concealer has dried up and this is still blending. That's crazy. Guys, don't ever underestimate the power of a stuff as a brush, okay? Cause honey, it blends. And you guys, this is definitely a one not to do. Like, look how big I contour this. Like, too much shadow. You never want to go like this thick. This is definitely not to do. By the way, that was the angle brush, which is the F22. It looks like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and take the F24, and I'm actually gonna take this just to contour a little bit more, just a little tiny bit. I really like this type of brush like that. Like, they're small, has some shape to it. Again, they're super soft, and it really like defines little details on the face, like contouring, like really chiseling out your cheekbones. So that's what I'm literally doing, you guys. Just like applying the tiniest bit. And I'm taking the brush F21. It's kind of like tapered, fluffy big brush. And I'm actually gonna take this to kind of like apply a little bit of blush. And this, what I'm using for blush today is this right here. Just like a little bit of color, you guys. Loving the brush, you guys. They're so soft, so pretty, and blending in really nice. So basically the last face brush that I'm using is this one right here, is the F25, and I like to use this type of taper small brush for highlight. Like, it's perfect for highlight in my. And for highlight, you guys, I'm actually using the new L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Nude highlighting palette, which looks like this. I got this amazing package from them, you guys. I was like super shocked because I never thought I'll ever get a package like this from L'Oreal. So I'm super grateful, excited, thankful, and all that. Again, I'm using the little brush right here just to apply that. I'm just gonna tap. It's super subtle, you guys, like super soft, but you can definitely see it right there. It's super gorgeous. And I'm actually going to be taking their small detail brush right here, which is the E139. Really like to use these type of brushes to apply like on the tear duct, on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys know I love to like apply glow just everywhere. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to go into the brushes of the eyes actually. So first I'm starting with this fluffy blending brush, which is the E135, and I'm going to be applying that onto the crease with the first shade that I'm using. Okay, so it's picking up the color really nice. That I could say, like, it picked it up, you see it, it's there. I'm not so sure about the blending, you guys. Like, it definitely does the job. You just have to take a little bit more time to it. Next, I'm taking the brush, which is called E137. This looks like this, and this looks like a really good brush just to pick up product and apply it onto the eyelid. So let's see, picking up really nicely. So yeah, you guys, this brush picks up a lot of product and it literally applies it onto the eyelid. So this is really good. And I'm actually taking that little small brush once again, the E139, to kind of smudge my lower lash line, which again, you guys, I love how much I love how they pick up the color like a lot, and it blends out really nice. Anyway, you guys, final thoughts on these brushes. I went ahead and finished my whole entire face just because we didn't have anything else dealing with the brushes, and I just wanted to show you guys the brushes. And once again, you guys, these brushes are from Shopmissa. This is the AOA Studio line, and this is their new PLUSH FAUX MINK brush set, and this specifically is called their blending set. They're super soft, as you guys saw me blending in while I was reacting to them. They're super soft in my opinion. These bring 10 brushes. They're a set of 10 and they're only $10. So literally you're paying $1 for each brush, which I think it's freaking amazing because you get like face brushes and they work really well, you guys, especially this foundation brush. It's so good in my opinion. I really like how I blend my foundation in. Everything looks so good. It's definitely super exciting because it's so affordable, and you guys know I live for affordable things. So if you guys are interested in this type of brushes, please go ahead and check them out. I'll leave the link in the description down below if you guys are interested. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and thumb up this video. Also subscribe to become part of the Sparkling Bae fam, and so you guys can keep up with all my dupe videos. I do a lot of dupe videos. I do a lot of super affordable makeup stuff here. So stay tuned, turn on those notifications so you don't miss the video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.